How to show iPhone 11 battery percentage. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to show or turn on the battery percentage on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, find the settings application on your mobile phone, just like this, then open it. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Then scroll down and here you can find battery, just right here. Now select it. After that, here you can find battery percentage, just right here. Now to show the percentage, simply tap onto this button right here. Tap on it. And now we can see the battery percentage is now showing. Now do the same process to turn off the battery percentage. And that's it. This is how you can show iPhone 11 battery percentage. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.